How to add music to a post with Vista Social. Adding music to your posts can significantly boost engagement and emotional appeal. Vista Social allows you to integrate sound with your content easily. Begin by creating a new post in your dashboard. Upload the image or video you want to share. In the media section, you'll find an option to add sound or background music. Choose from the sound library or upload your own audio file. Vista Social supports multiple file formats and provides trimming tools so you can select the perfect segment of the track. This is particularly useful if you want to match the beat or mood to the visuals. Once your media and music are synced, preview the post to make sure everything plays smoothly. You can also add captions, tags, and hashtags to increase discoverability before scheduling or publishing it. Sound plays a powerful role in storytelling. A well-chosen track can turn a simple post into an emotional experience. Make sure your audio complements the visual content and fits the message you're trying to convey. Don't forget, the link to join Vista Social for free is in the description. This gives you access to the media tools and audio enhancements that make your posts stand out. Add music, schedule smart, and watch your engagement grow with Vista Social.